Welcome back to DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Tractor Supply Memorial Day sale. So let's dive in. Alright guys, I'm going to show you some of the deals going on right now at Tractor Supply. We'll start with this UTV for just under $9 grand. There are some good deals going on, also Memorial Day deals, and then even just some clearance items as well. So I'm going to show you all these things going on right now at Tractor Supply. You get to see a bunch of great options here. Another UTV right here, right under $8 grand for that one. They also have their pools 20% off, so a great time to grab one of those, set them up, and get going. I actually have some videos on how to set both of these up right here. You can check out those in my video options. Also, we have a couple different grills here. You see these different even ember grills here, 5-burner griddle with the lid, $280 there. So again, some good prices for the Memorial Day savings. Great thing to go ahead and get ready for the summer. Been grilling a little bit here. We see some of this True Fuel on sale here for $23. Get to save a few bucks on that one. I'll show you a few more of those here in just a minute. I think these were all in my last video as well. Just want to show you guys still some of these string trimmers and other items for getting outside and getting everything prepped and ready, nice and clean for your yard and everything. We see trimmers, blowers, combo kits, all kind of stuff like that. So depending on what size you need and which one you want, they have a bunch of different ones. I really like these. It actually is starting to green up a lot where I live. We're finally getting some rain, and you definitely will need to start cutting your grass and all this kind of stuff. So it's a great time to go ahead and snag some of these and get some good deals. But we got some pole saws as well. Another great thing. Check out regular chainsaws right here for DeWalt. Another solid deal for that one. And even a little pruning saw here. Great thing right there to save your hands or your forearms, or maybe you're not able to do that. You can grab one of these. It does say free DeWalt battery with the chainsaw or pruner purchase. So great thing to check out there. And I was also talking more fuel here. We got the 40-to-1 mix. We saw the 50-to-1 earlier. We even have the small engine oil there. A couple other setups here. Another 50-to-1, just depending on the brand you want, which one you might need. Another setup here, 51, $50 for the larger can there. Never used that large can there. It's kind of cool. More options for all of these. So small engine stuff, 4-cycle fuel, more oil right there. So again, if you need some of those. We also have a bunch of flowers and other seeds. You can see these on sale for $9. Get to save $1. So not a great deal, but get to save a little bit, especially if you're going to be there. Might as well grab you some. See all those options there. Then we see some granulars here for the 7 insect killer. $10 right there. And then we've got some weed and feed for $85 for Scott's. Then next we see some Roundup here at the large option here for $95. Get to save a few bucks on that one. We also see the smaller containers here. And then we even see poison ivy. So getting rid of that poison ivy there. See the pump option here, $25. More the normal size there. Also the Roundup kills weeds and won't harm lawns. See some bed bugs from Ortho. Getting rid of the bed bugs there. And then we even see some roach spray here. Get to save $3 on that one. So if you need some of that for the house. And insect killer, little large plot. $40 there for that one. And then we also have the large granules as well for $32. Getting rid of those bugs. We have a little thing that repels deer. Also have some sticky fly stuff here. Some fly pads there, $5.50. We could also get the fly trap or the bucket for $10, whichever one you need. Next, we have some DeWalt tools. See this one right here for $270. A little heavy-duty impact wrench there. Also have the impact driver kit, $99. Here is the the impact and the drill for $170, and also the drill driver there for $100. You also have the batteries on sale for $150. So a great deal on that one. Even another clearance item next to that with the batteries. And we have the circular saw here for $130. Good thing to check out there. Then we have the grease gun kit for $250 for DeWalt. Another good deal. Then we have the air inflator for $150. Another solid deal for that one. And even a little speaker here for DeWalt. They have the 4.5-inch blade, $11. Get to save $5 off of that one. Porter cable has some oil here, $70. And then we also have the automatic electronic tank drain kit for $160 for one of those big tanks. DeWalt 6-gallon pancake air compressor here. Get to save a little bit on that one. Get to save $20. And then we also have the large air compressor here for Porter cable, $280. So again, a really good deal for that one. Also, we have a little toolbox here for Stanley. So you need to carry some tools. We have the magnetic level. I like that one. $17. Great little thing there. And then we also have a mechanics tool set for $70 here. Another great deal for DeWalt there. And then Memorial Day savings for DeWalt. Great little option right there for a tape measure. Then we also have the cordless air inflator. We're a couple of different ones on those, so I want to show you guys all of these. Little battery packs here. But here's that setup. We saw some of these earlier, but not all of them, so I did want to just show you guys. They also have the ratchet there. It's a great thing to check out. And then the charger. A couple good deals right there for DeWalt, depending on what you might need, and even the batteries, $150. They also have the welder here for $459. They also had a bunch of welding tools and stuff like that. I'll show you that in a minute. Pressure washer, get to save $50 on this one, 3,400 PSI pressure washer. I might have to look into getting me a new one. Mine wasn't working last time I pulled it out. And here's all those things I was talking about. A lot of random stuff, but then even some more welding kit stuff. The Porter cable charger. You can see that one there. You can see a couple other things. A little filter there for Cub Cadet. Then they had a bunch of Porter cable tools on sale. They had them kind of spread out, but you can see these. I know they're still keeping them and still carrying them for what I've learned and read. So always a great deal to check out those. And then we have the mildew cleaner here, wet and forget, but indoor and outdoor and stuff like that. So whichever one you might need, check them out there. They have the Rust-Oleum 5-in-1 spray paint, $1.50 off of that. So if you need to pick a bunch of those, you can save a little bit there. They also had pool filters and chemicals on sale, 20% off. It's always a great thing. If you have a little pool like us, great thing to grab some of this stuff and stock up on it, because you will need it. Save $5 with a purchase of 3 2-inch ratchet straps. 10% off aluminum truck boxes. So you get a little bit of money off of those. So if you need those, I always recommend having those on your vehicle. So if you don't have one, you can save a little bit right there. Right here, the Diatomaceous Earth, 50% off. They had a couple different sizes on those as well. Then they had a ton of just this like farm or the larger weed killer. You see all the different ones right here, depending on which one that you might need. But a lot of different ones, a lot of different sizes. Again, a lawn weed killer here, $60 for that one. The Black Bayou here, $40. Another great thing to check out. Midnight Bayou and Blue Bayou. So you can check those. I've never tried a lot of these things, so just showing you those. Biological water clarifier. And then a couple more right here from Wisdom, $35. And then a Bug No More option right there. A lot of stuff trying to take care of vegetation and bugs. So another vegetation control, $109. And then more spray right here for bugs. So a lot of different stuff for bugs and just trying to take care of the farm or outside, getting stuff taken care of right there. I think it's a great thing to check out. A little Ultra Shield here, and more great deals right there for bugs and other spray stuff. So great thing to look into, especially if you're on the farm and need a little bit of reprieve from some bugs. check all these out. They did have chickens still available. I know a lot of people were asking about that in the last video. They had a bunch of chickens available, multiple tins. It's kind of hard to see because the camera keeps focusing on the gate itself, but you can see all the different options for chickens. We have multiple different options. We have multiple chickens. We got 5, and we have a couple different brands in there. It's great because then, you know, you're not all going to have the same one and have the same eggs. So it's kind of cool to have different eggs. They also have impeccable chicken treats, 2 for $20. Great deal on that one. $20 off home decor. They didn't have a large section for home decor this time. They've kind of taken that back and gotten a lot of other stuff in there, but home decor stuff still on sale there. 25% off seeds. So you can check all these out. So again, if you're going to be planting some gardens or any kind of thing like that, good thing to check out here. More DeWalt tools. These were kind of on the side. Got a little light there. You can check that out. Another one for the batteries. And we also got a deal on the Sawzall. Save $30 on that one. Really good deal. And we saw some more of these little job site speakers. Saw this fan here for DeWalt 130. We saw this earlier as well. And then another shot at the weed whacker there for $209. I do love checking out these like little deal options here. One of my favorite parts. I would say they didn't have a ton of clearance items, but I will show you a few that they did have. But these are always great things to come and see what they have. And again, just to check out yourself. I really like these. I like that soap right there, the Squatch soap. I use that and it works really well. And then we got just a bunch of other, DIY tools, flashlights, tape measures there. I actually have that tape measure as well. Works really well. Got some mallets, some blades, and other setups right there. Even some ratchets, some spray, a little safety kit there for your house. You can see that most of these items are not on clearance right now. You can see they have just regular prices, but bungee cords there. Have the painting mats there, good thing. Also some Job Smart zip ties, some lights. See all the pricing right there for those. Little headlamps. And other just random tools right here. Mini air die grinder set. More knives. You can see have a bunch of knife options. Little sticky hooks for pans and different things there. Little caliper. Some gloves. And then little handy hooks. More little options like that. I really like little drill bits there. I'll show you another one here in a minute. More knives. Somebody's random water bottle that's left there. Little fire starter kit. I think that's fun. Kids probably think that's a cool one. And then we got some more. I like this little bit set. Dental bit set. It's fun right there with the teeth. And a couple other just random tool stuff. Job Smart tools. Here is a clearance item right here. You can see this with a knife and a little flashlight there. Keychain flashlight, nice thing right there. Another screwdriver set, some Febreze. I actually just used those Allen wrench keys like that on a project, putting a bed together right before I did this video. Another knife here. We got some clamps there. Some lens wipes. A few other things, some wrenches right here. A little knife set. More options for these. And again, we keep seeing those dental bit sets are funny. And then we have the little magnetic set right there for working on your car. Good ones for that. And like I said, we saw a couple of these a minute ago with the clamps. Another thing we did see on clearance right here is this little machete. So you got that $15 there, a little machete, great thing to pick up. Got a little grabber, and also some sockets and some socket holders there. Then we also have some just little trinkets, stuff like that. Little Scour Daddy, part of the Scrub Daddy group. Some ant baits, little tic-tac-toe board there. field towels, some more extenders and fixers for your options for your hoses. Got a little grill brush set here. Great thing for that one. Good thing to check out. Little butane torch tops. And then we have a bunch of snacks and stuff like that for your pets and stuff for them to play with and all kind of things. More options right here for food and stuff like that. And you can see a few different options as well right there, depending on what pet you have, what you want them to play with. Little bug stop strips there, hot shot. Got some outdoor tools, little easy to use hand tools there, little pruning shears and stuff, a little flashlight, bubbles, a little plant support kit right there to the right. And then we do have a couple other clearance items. You can see some of these for the sprinklers and hoses and stuff like that. So get a little bit off with some of these, little sprinkler and different things there. So a great thing to check out if you need one of those. More clearance items right here for these like salt licks. And then more stuff for your pets. You can see some of these different things, different stuff for them to play with and have a little fun with. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing as well. If you've seen anything that you're going to snag, or if there has been something you've gotten, I'd love to know that as well. Then we see 30% off Columbia apparel. They always have a bunch of Columbia stuff here, so the 30% off of that's not too bad if you need some of those. They had a bunch of these Porter cable options right here. Just want to show you guys some of these tools. Makita as well. So you can see that down to 200 bucks. Another Porter cable option there. Down to $83. So again, a lot of things on sale for Porter cable right now. So I'm not sure what's going on. I'll keep you guys updated as I see it. But you got more deals right there. So depending on if you have this brand, probably a great thing to snag some of these. 94 bucks. Then also they have some lights. So you see some of these lights on sale, little motion lights. Great thing for right outside. More lights here for outside, really cool for that. They also have some of these like pruning saws on sale. These things are great to have. I use them in the yard all the time, and when we're hunting and stuff like that, clearing out shooting lanes. It's a lot of fun, but a great thing to check out there. I do want to show you this. They had this chicken coop on sale starting at $187. I didn't see that there, but I want to show you that. And they also had these chairs, little kid chairs for $8. And then 25% off 1 quart and larger annuals as well. So a great thing to pick up there, some flowers. But overall, I think there's some great deals going on right now at your local Tractor Supply. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing. And if this video is helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.